landed here, our second to last night. This is one heck of a campsite.
Pasta with meat sauce?
Pasta with meat sauce and parm. We're going to call this video Todd Eats Kevin's Food. Nice simple title.
Sounds like I took your plate. Kevin gets to eat too. Don't believe him. It's good.
Works for you?
Yeah, it's nice. What are we on, day 6?
Day 6.
And we're having pasta with hamburger.
Pasta bolognese.
And we didn't have to kill anything and grind it up.
Good morning, guys. This is our last day in Quetico. We leave tomorrow. So we've done our mission. We wanted to go see the falls chain. We've gone down it and back up it. And last night we found this beautiful campsite. Every view from our campsite deserves to be a painting. This is prime real estate. What a beautiful place to be. We started out this trip with some lousy weather. We had a bunch of rain and a lot of wind. A couple days ago we were basically windbound. But the last couple days have been fantastic. Yesterday was beautiful, light breeze, easy paddling weather. Today is supposed to be the same and tomorrow the same. So we're going to spend that extra day that we have today and go explore a place called Silver Falls, just south of here. Should be an easy trip down. One portage to get there, another portage to walk to see it without the gear. So it should be a good time. Morning, Todd.
Yeah. Get ready for the next part of the mission. Our extended mission.
Extended mission.
We've done so well on the first part that they decided to extend our mission to Silver Falls. We're up
Too shallow?
Yeah. You flicking over?
I think so.
Oh, okay.
I'm making it. Are we stuck?
Yeah, it's really shallow.
We should have gone over there, eh?
Yeah, that's what I tried to say.
Can you handle me in the boat? No way. Okay, then we'll go over here.
You got rocks there?
Yeah.
I'll pull up so you can get in.
Okay. Nothing but the best for you, Todd. This is our first portage today, and really our only one. This is called Dead Man's Portage. It's not very long. A lot of drama in some of these names. We caught up to another party. So that is only the second party we've seen in, I guess it's 7 days now. So really nobody here this year. Not a normal year. There's an eagle nest up in that pine. It's big.
Big.
We're on the portage heading into Silver Falls, and I can hear it already. It's very loud. So the anticipation is high. Hey guys, this is our last night. We've had quite a great trip, quite a great adventure. Today was no exception to that rule. We went down to check out Silver Falls, a bit of a detour off of our main route. Glad we did. That was spectacular. Then we came back up to this end of the lake near our access point. And when we did, we took a look at the map. It was late afternoon, 6 o'clock, and we thought, hey, let's there's another potential access point here. There's a little tiny lake beside a road that leads into a creek that spills into this bigger lake. So we thought we'd go check that out. So we paddled up the creek, meandering creek full of weeds.
How deep is this?
Plenty deep. These are deep weeds.
It looked a lot better on the satellite. Almost got my face on a big roast spider. That's easy. Look at that.
This is the adventure, Todd.
Come right here. I can cut that. Then can we get?
Oh, we got lots of room. If you want to cut smaller, go ahead. shove it back. Awesome, there we go. Oh, nice, Todd. There was a little channel, we could paddle for a while, then we had to pull the boat. We pulled it over some beaver dams.
A little bit more.
If we can. That's good, that's good. I can
That's
get
good. So should I go
Yeah, you get in.
already? Is that okay?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
okay. Because once we shift the weight, then I'll be able to push you in, I think. They went.
Okay, I don't want to go too far.
You know, you need me to come with you.
Yeah.
My butt's on the dam still here.
Is it really?
Yeah, we can shove off though. There we go. Oh. I'm just looking for my footing.
I'm gonna just climb over the boat on the other side.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Kind of back to what we're doing.
Let's push her off.
Ready?
Yep.
I'm gonna.
Okay, you hop in.
Okay, hold on. Sorry, I can't go anywhere yet.
Wait for me. Hey, boo boo.
Yeah.
Looking good up the head.
It looks good for a little bit, though, right?
It's really, mud is really deep. I gotta pull the boat back just to get in.
It feels really gross with bare feet.
It opens up into the lake ahead, I think.
You think so?
Well, look at the hill across the way there.
Over there, eh?
Yeah. And eventually we ran into a dead end. So we pulled our way back out of there. It was worth doing. Now we know that's not an access point. And so we're going to spend our last night. We're going to rehydrate, and we're going to have an early bed, and then get out of here quickly in the morning to make the most of our Saturday. So guys, thanks a lot for watching. As always, please hit like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you have a great day.